I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs. I first made some of these snowballs many years ago, and I use them in some way or other every year in my holiday decorating. I have several different sizes and I've used them in different things. Sometimes I will put some of the larger ones in a bucket to look like a bucket of snowballs, and sometimes I use the littler ones in amongst greenery or run some snowman. Big ones were the first ones that I made, and they have naturally aged. I did not do that. They've just naturally had a darker color. These also were some of the earlier snowballs, and they have taken on a more primitive, grungy look to them, which I like. These are ones that I've made more recently, and they still have a lighter look to them. So today I'm going to show you how I make these. It's kind of a messy process, but it's pretty easy. So I'm going to start with a styrofoam ball. You can use whatever size you want depending on how large of snowballs you want. This one is a 2-inch styrofoam ball. And I have some warm and natural cotton batting. I used this a couple weeks ago to make candy canes, and I've used it for other things too. It's just a really handy thing to have on hand for crafts. It's very soft and easy to work with. And I've got some Mod Podge. This is the Mod Podge spray on, and I'm using this kind because it's a little bit thinner. You could also just water down some glue. We'll need some glitter. I have 3 different sizes. I have a real fine glitter and a little bit bigger glitter, and then I have these chunkier glitter flakes. And I'm going to use a disposable bowl also. So I want to take the warm and natural batting and wrap it around the styrofoam ball to just kind of see how big of a piece I need to totally cover it. With this process, I'm just kind of wadding it up on there, and that gives it the look of more of a snowball. I did try one where I glued on strips of the batting, but as you can see, it looks like strips of batting. Whereas if you just wad it on, it gives it more of the look of a imperfect snowball. So this piece here that I've got, I think it will completely cover my ball. So what I'm going to do now is take my bowl, and I've got my Mod Podge, and I'm just going to pour some into the bowl. This does get pretty messy. And then I'm going to take my batting and dip it into the Mod Podge. I'm going to get both sides of it nice and soppy wet. And then I'm just going to completely cover the styrofoam with the batting. And then I'm going to press down like I'm really making it into a snowball, and that will kind of help get everything stuck together. So now I want to add some glitter. I'm going to start with the largest and sprinkle it around. Then move on to the next size, the medium. Roll it around in this bowl here to really get it good and covered. And then I'm going to finish off with the smallest glitter add a little bit more of these big flakes. Then I'm going to let this dry. It's completely dry and ready to use now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.